When you first arrive for the reception, it's really important to get a sound check with the DJ usually. It might be a band, so you might have to hook up to a mixer. Make sure you have adapters, all sorts of adapters, so you can hook up to a mixer. That's going to be whatever you're going into as far as wireless or recorder. You're going to want to make sure that you have some sort of input into your recorder, and then you have adapters, let's say a 1/4 inch, an XLR. Obviously you want to make sure you're getting a line XLR. You don't want to get a mic XLR. So make sure that's covered, and then you want to hear it. So you want to say, hey, play it as loud as you think it's going to go during the dancing. Talking to the mic at like a level that you expect to be talking during the day. You might tell them, hey, turn off your speakers, so that way it's not loud for everybody, but that way he can speak at the level that he really thinks he's going to be at. And then you can listen back. You can say, okay, I was distorting, let me bring it down. So sound check is really important. If you don't do that, you're gonna, it's gonna start, the intros are gonna start, and you're not gonna know if you're gonna distort or not. And if things do start to distort, or let's say you don't even have levels, you're not gonna be able to run over and get that. You're just gonna be stuck with your ambient sound. So sound check is really, really important to make sure that you get audio that you can actually use.